How to fix TalkSPORT app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the TalkSPORT app not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So if your TalkSPORT app is not working and you want to fix it, what you'll first have to do is simply search for TalkSPORT. After you search for TalkSPORT, check if there is an update available. So if you see an update available, tap on the update button and update the app. After you update the app, the problem should be fixed and you can then start using the app. If the problem still persists, you might want to go to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to apps on the bottom, tap on apps, and then search for TalkSPORT. So let's search for TalkSPORT here. Open that up. And my bad, let me go back here. So what we'll need to do is remove the cache. To remove the cache, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and then search for TalkSPORT. So let's search for the app. Let's let this load. And after you are on your iPhone storage, you can also see if you have enough space left or not. If so, when you have full storage, sometimes that can affect the app's working as well. So let me just search for TalkSPORT. There we go. Now tap on offload app and then offload it. After you offload the app, you can then reinstall the app and start using like it's normal. Now, yeah, this clears out the cache from the app, so that should fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.